Team USA has been decked out in Ralph Lauren. This is a video from the opening ceremony that took place Friday night, as so many big names, including LeBron James and Katie Ledecky and Coco Gauff, rode down the Seine River. I spoke over the weekend with Ralph Lauren's CEO, Patrice Louvet, at the company's store and restaurant here in Paris, and asked about the response he's been getting to these opening ceremony looks and the entire Olympic collection.
We're really proud to see actually a lot of people asking for our products. And while it's only the very beginning of the Olympics, our products are indeed flying off the shelves. You know, what's important for us is this is an incredible opportunity for us to showcase the brand to the world, right? Opening ceremonies, I think record high ratings, up 60% versus the Tokyo ratings. And it's incredible the number of individuals who approach us and say, hey, could we have access to this item, that item?
I was going to mention that concerns about China's consumer spending have been front and center. So I asked him about how the Ralph Lauren brand is performing in China, given the pressure on the retail market there.
China for us actually continues to do well. And I'm very excited about both mid and long-term opportunities for us in China. Last year, we were up over 30%. Up on top of 23% the year before. We had a really good quarter in the quarter we just reported. So we're seeing the brand continue to have strong momentum. We have a unique ability to bring in new consumers. We're focused on key city clusters in China. And while we know the consumer's sentiment is pressured, right, partly because of the real estate challenges in China, we remain really positive about the outlook and the perspective for the business in China. And that applies actually to the entire Asian markets for us.
In addition to its role as the official outfitter of Team USA, Ralph Lauren also has partnerships in golf, tennis, and gaming. And I asked him if the company is planning to expand its sports portfolio even more.
Sport's been at the very heart of this company forever. We are very active in tennis. We are, obviously, we have the U.S. Olympic team. We're in golf, right? It was actually good to see how we showed up recently with Billy Horschel finishing second at the British Open, showcasing our colors really nicely. We're in gaming, so we sponsor the T1 and G2 team, who have done particularly well this past year. Fundamentally for us, the lens is we want to be where our target consumer is engaging with brands, where our target consumer wants to discover brands. And so I think you'll see us over time continue to expand that footprint.
Okay, and now, guys, for what is a hotly debated topic, especially here in Paris. Is it Lauren or is it Lauren?
Oh, what's the answer?
We know it's Lauren, but I asked if the pronunciation should be any different here in Paris, especially given that Patrice has a French background. He's from here, and Ralph Lauren's presence in France. Take a look at what he had to say.
When I took on this job 7 years ago, several people said to me, so Patrice, are you going back to France? I said, why? Well, isn't Ralph Lauren French? So certainly the French culture and the Parisian lifestyle has influenced Ralph, and he absolutely loves this town, and we as a company love this town. But in terms of how you say it, it's Ralph Lauren.
Ralph Lauren.
Ralph Lauren.
Let's just say it.
But you're welcome to say it any which way you want.